I am hungry. I want to make breakfast.
Good morning. Leo is hungry. He wants to make breakfast. Can you say it? I am hungry. I want to make breakfast.
I will make toast. It is easy.
Leo is making toast. He says, it is easy. Do you make toast at home?
Oh no! Oh no! It is burning! It is burning! My toast. It is black.
The toast is burning. Leo says, oh no, it is burning. Can you say it? Oh no, it is burning.
Leo, what happened?
I am sorry, Mom. I made a mistake. The toast is burned.
It is okay, Leo. Mistakes help us learn.
Next time, I will be careful.
Good boy. Now let me make breakfast. Sit down, Leo. I will make breakfast for us.
Wow, it smells so good!
Here you go, Leo. Mum makes tasty breakfast.
Mmm, this is delicious.
Yes, this is what good toast looks like.
Thank you, Mom. I love breakfast with you, Mom.
We enjoy breakfast together. That is the best part.
Today we learned 10 simple sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I am hungry. I want to make breakfast. Oh no, it is burning. I am sorry. I made a mistake. Next time, I will be careful. I will make breakfast for us. It smells so good. Mom makes tasty breakfast. This is delicious. I love breakfast with you. New words we learned. Hungry. Burning. Mistake. Careful. Tasty. Delicious. Together. Smells. Breakfast. Sorry.
Leo made a mistake today, but he said sorry, and he learned something new. That is how we grow. Thank you for learning English with Leo today. Don't forget, one story, one step every day.